Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a colorful cut crease with a glitter lip. To get started, I'm first priming my face with the City Color Primer Oil and then filling in my brows with the Mellow Cosmetics Brow Pomade in Chocolate. My current favorite brush for filling in my brows is the IBODYOGRAPHY Brow Brush, which is great to create hair-like strokes and then switch over to the spoolie end to blend out the product. I'm usually pretty messy at filling in my brows using brow pomade, so I like to clean them up using some concealer. This time I'm cleaning up the top part of the brow with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1, and for the bottom edge of my brow I always use the PLouise base in 0.5 because I also use this to prime my eyelids. For my eyeshadow today, I'll be using the James Charles Artistry palette by Morphe, and first applying the shade 518, which is orange, into the inner half of my crease. I'm then going to be creating a rainbow effect and applying different shades throughout my crease. The next shade I'm using is the red, which is called You're Kidding, and I'm just placing this alongside of the orange. And then I'm going ahead and applying the shade Skip, which is the pink, and applying that alongside the red. I'm continuing the rainbow with the purple shade Escape and the blue shade Playground.
In your way, cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Once I've completed my colorful crease, I'm taking the Morphe JH30 brush and blending out the top edge of all of the eyeshadow, and then cutting my crease using the PLouise base in 0.5. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to cut my crease looking straight forward and make sure that you can see the cut in the crease when I'm looking forward naturally. I'll start off by applying the concealer to my natural crease and then bring it up higher as needed. With the outer edge of my eye, I tend to look down so that I can see where my eyelid folds over and apply the concealer above that fold.
No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah.
I just got this really precise brush from Sigma and wanted to try it out, so I'm just applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk along the cut in the crease to define it some more.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might.
Once my cut crease is extra sharp, I'm applying the Mercuryiii Snowflake Dust to the area that only has concealer. The Snowflake Dust is a loose powder, so I sprayed my brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to make it easier to pick up and pack on.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah.
Now it's time to start on my face makeup. If you're a consistent viewer of my videos, you may have noticed that I've been using several new products throughout this video and will continue to do so. So I'm applying the City Color Classic Primer to the center of my face, which tends to have more pores, and then I'm using the Beauty Blender to blend in the Estée Lauder Double Wear Light Foundation in the shade Shell. This is actually the first time I've used the real Beauty Blender, and I have to say I think I prefer the Real Technique sponge over this one. Now for my under eyes, I'm applying the Revolution Concealer in C1 and blending this out with a mini Real Technique sponge, and then setting this area with the Hourglass Translucent Veil Setting Powder and a dry IECOTOOLS sponge.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity. So
to set the rest of my face, I'm just picking up a very little bit of the Hourglass powder on the Morphe JH01 brush and patting this on my face, and then moving on to my contour and applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I feel a bit repetitive when I describe my contour routine, but I'm just contouring the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my nose because, well, I don't need to contour my forehead because I'm wearing this wig. Sometimes I like to carve out my contour to make it really sharp, so to do this I'm using the Yourminerals Transparent Veil Setting Powder, and I let this sit for about a minute and then sweep it away. For bronzer, I'm using the Ofra Americano bronzer, and for highlight, I'm using the nikkietutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter, which is my favorite for when I want a blinding highlight.
Amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start.
To top things off, I'm applying the Sigma Beauty Aura Face Powder in Nymphaea, which is a beautiful blush, highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with that same Ofra highlight, and then setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. To finish off my eyes, I'm applying that bright pink shade to my lower lash line and buffing that out just a bit, and then lining my upper lashes with the Mellow Cosmetics Precision Pen Eyeliner and popping on some Ardell Foaming Lashes in the style 812.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
For my upper waterline, I'm applying the Sigma Beauty Longwear Eyeliner Pencil, and for my lower waterline, I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and my mascara is the City Color Fierce Lashes Mascara.
No, no, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be.
To finish off the look, I'm using the brand new NYX Cosmetics Glitter Goals Liquid Lipstick in the shade Reflector, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!
I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons.